Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will make an oil pastel drawing of a couple under an umbrella. At first I need a piece of art paper. Here I am using 130 GSM A4 paper. Secondly, I need an adhesive tape to make a clear-cut outline of the drawing. Number 3 requirement is oil pastel box of camel. Now it's time to draw. At first I am drawing a road with light blue. Then I am applying white oil pastel at the center of the paper in a horizontal fashion. Next color is light blue in both sides of the whitish area. Then cerulean blue hue is applied both sides. Now I am using ultramarine blue both sides, and lastly Prussian blue. Now I am reapplying white color in the center. Next I need a tissue paper to rub all the area to smoothen. Look, here a portion with ultramarine blue looks lighter than other area. So I have to reapply it. And again, tissue paper is used to smoothen. In this side, I am following the same thing. Look, the tissue paper becomes dirty. So I am using its another side. Now I am drawing the road lightly with cerulean blue hue. Smudging is also done. Next, I need a 12B graphite pencil to draw the trees. I prefer this one as it will be quite prominent on the oil pastel color. Here I am making trees with multiple branches. The border of the road should be demarcated properly. These are shadows of the trees. Actually, it is a water-filled road which reflects shadows of everything. Now I am drawing some baby trees also to get a feeling of a dense forest. Now I have taken a piece of white paper over which I can place my hand. It will help pencil shadings not to be wasted by my hand. Now I am drawing a boy and a girl under an umbrella. Look, black is quite impressive on this background. Now I am drawing some branches of trees in the white area lightly so that the road seems quite long. Now it's time to sign. My name is Mousumi Murmu. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more drawing videos.